Stop designing from scratch. Start posting faster with Posts Ready Vault. Get unlimited access to ready-made social media posts, editable Canva templates, and instant download visual content, all with one simple monthly plan. Done for you social media content. Get professional visual content that is ready to download and post instantly, helping you stay consistent without starting from a blank Canva page. Editable Canva templates included. Want to make it your own? Open the templates in Canva and customize text, colors, branding, and design details in seconds. One simple monthly plan. Subscribe for just $10 per month plus tax and unlock the full vault with unlimited downloads while subscribed. 2 easy ways to use your content. Download and post instantly. Open in Canva and customize your way. No design skills needed. Posts Ready Vault is built for small business owners, coaches, consultants, entrepreneurs, content creators, and social media managers who need polished visual content without design overwhelm. Content categories inside the vault. Explore ready-made posts in love, life and stoicism, wealth and carousels, with new designs added regularly to keep your content fresh and growing. What makes it different? Most tools only give you templates. Posts Ready Vault gives you both options. Use the content as is or customize it in Canva. No blank canvas, no wasted time, and no stress. Start posting faster, stay consistent, and give your feed a professional look. Visit postsreadyvault.com, get access now, and unlock unlimited ready-made social media content today.